I love some of the homespun ideas that Tricia shares with us from time to time.
Well, Danny, how about a cup of tea?
Well, is it 3 o'clock yet?
Well, Danny, actually, this is one of these home brews. Some tea with some aspirin in it.
Okay, now that must have something to do with acid and acidity.
Yes, it does. Well, as you know, all soil has a pH rating, 1
Right.
through 14, and 7 is neutral. Now, obviously, I'd be making a lot bigger batch than this for use in my garden, but for plants that love acid, such as camellias and azaleas and orchids, some of this type, they would love some of this to keep their acidity high.
And of course, you'd need to, I guess, let it cool down a little bit before you use
Very
it.
good point. Yes, exactly, unless it's 3 o'clock.
Now, what about this? It looks like, what, eggshells and water?
It is. It's eggshells and water, and what I've done is put them in here for a few days and let the calcium, which is what is in the eggshell that's so beneficial, leach out. You also, I suppose, if you're in a hurry, you could boil it and let it sit until it totally cooled. Now, how this is used is, again, referring back to the pH. If your soil is too alkaline and you needed to get back to neutral, closer to 7, this would be, yes, closer to 7, this would be a great thing to use.